Hello class. This week I'm creating a presentation on the features and functions that I need in a learning management system. Um, so you'll see here I'm going to bounce between presentation and training from last week while I explain the features and functions that I need in a learning management system this week. Um, so here we go. First thing is a little bit about structure. It needs to be easy to navigate, seamless transitions, space for collaboration, and a library of resources. So as you see, if you look at, let's see, here we go. In the de-escalating tense situation course I created from last term, you notice that the transitions that I created are easy, but in addition, as we go through them, we're going to have some opportunities for assignments where people are going to have to do some collaboration. There's going to be some resources that are available to folks. So, to have a learning management system that allows for us to have that embedded into the program, and allows for us to have ease of use, that type of thing is very important. And the next thing we go to is my needs as an instructor. I need a place to be able to post assignments. Whenever I want to be able to tell people what I want them to learn and how they're going to learn through assignments, I need a place for that. The ability to upload resources, videos, and articles, that type of thing. Discussion boards. Last term, one of the things I liked that Jonan had us do is we did individual assignments and discussions, but we also did collaborative stuff. So I would need a place for people to be able to do the discussion boards, that type of thing. And assignment and discussion tracking. It's important, if you're going to assign folks to have discussions, such as we do in Canvas, that we can be able to track them. We can see what people are saying. One of the things I noticed in Canvas I really like is that, Jonan has the ability to pull us out individually and see the comments that we've made or that type of thing on both our stuff but also other people's stuff as well. And then individual and group feedback. The ability for, one of the things that, again, I go back to Canvas because it's the one that I've used most recently, but in Canvas there's an ability to have comments between the instructor and the student about any of the assignments that have been submitted or discussions, that type of thing. And then for student needs, I would say assignment uploads. If I'm going to assign something, there needs to be a place and ability for that individual to upload their assignments. And then access to resources. We may have an individual who wants to find out more. For instance, in the de-escalating class, as an example, if we go a little bit further here, you'll notice that I've got some different resources that are available to folks. They need to be able to access that. So to have a library, to be able to access those types of things, is just very helpful to them. Evaluation of self and others. And then again, access to the instructor. So not only is it access for the instructor to the student, but it needs to be a two-way street where the student can actually access the instructor. So, and lastly, as a final thought, I'm just going to say a learning management system must help and encourage the instructor and learner to engage and manage learning in a way that is organized and structured, but also has some room for creativity and flexibility. The focus should always build upon one knowledge base. So on that note, that is basically my features and functions that I need for a learning management system. I hope you guys have enjoyed my video and my playful props for the evening. Sorry, probably had a little too much coffee, but hey, y'all know I like Buzz Lightyear, so I had to share with you guys. So without any further ado, to infinity and beyond.